Boost your local HVAC and appliance business with Hotfrog listings. Hey there, HVAC and appliance repair heroes. Tired of customers struggling to find you online? Wish you had more leads knocking on your door? Then listen up, because we've got the key to unlocking your local business potential on Hotfrog. Hotfrog, a local search savior. Hotfrog is a powerful online directory that connects local businesses like yours with potential customers searching for your services. But here's the catch. You need to claim your listing and optimize it. Our blog, your Hotfrog Roadmap. That's where our brand new blog post comes in. How to add or claim your business listing on Hotfrog for HVAC and appliance repair services. It's your step-by-step guide to conquering Hotfrog and attracting more customers. Navigate with ease. Hotfrog hacks. First, we'll walk you through navigating the Hotfrog platform like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned Hotfrog user or just starting out, we've got you covered. Claiming your throne, existing and new listings. Is your business already listed on Hotfrog? Claim it in seconds, either from your account dashboard or directly from the main page. Don't have a listing yet? No worries. We'll show you how to create a brand new one, step by step. Optimizing your Oasis. Attract local customers. But claiming your listing is just the beginning. Our blog dives deep into optimizing your profile for maximum visibility. We'll give you 11 secret weapons to unleash, including claiming and verifying your listing for trustworthiness, completing your profile with all the juicy details, adding high-quality images that showcase your expertise, encouraging glowing customer reviews. Your online reputation matters, highlighting special offers and promotions to sweeten the deal, keeping your listing fresh with regular updates, mastering the art of keyword usage to be found in local searches, monitoring your analytics to see what's working and what's not, engaging with potential customers through reviews and Q&A, leveraging Hotfrog's additional features to stand out from the crowd, ensuring consistency with your other online listings for a seamless customer experience. Beyond Hotfrog, unleash your online power. Our blog is just the first step on your local SEO journey. We'll point you to other blog posts packed with tips for managing your online presence and dominating the local market. Unlock your potential. Expert help awaits. Don't go it alone. We offer expert digital marketing and SEO support specifically designed for HVAC and appliance repair businesses. And guess what? You can get a free digital marketing review session to see how we can help you skyrocket your online visibility. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to our blog, claim your Hotfrog throne, and watch your local business flourish. And remember, for expert support on your digital journey, we're just a click away. Dominate local searches, conquer Hotfrog, and watch your HVAC and appliance repair business thrive. Remember, for expert support on your digital journey, we're just a click away. But wait, there's more. Head over to our YouTube channel, The Appliance Experts, for even more tips, tricks, and insights on growing your local business. We've got videos on everything from mastering online reviews to crafting irresistible marketing campaigns. So don't forget to like our videos for a thumbs up of awesomeness. Share them with your fellow business warriors. And most importantly, subscribe to the Appliance Experts channel for a weekly dose of local business domination. With your support, we can build a community of thriving HVAC and appliance repair heroes. Let's conquer the local market together. P.S. Don't forget to dive into the complete guide on conquering Hotfrog. The link to our blog post, How to Add or Claim Your Business listing on Hotfrog for HVAC and appliance repair services, is waiting for you in the video description. Let's get your business listed and booming.